Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
this is you.
I was with you a couple of weeks back. I went to this other interview.
Sure.
So as a person who does like the post production, like I had my own perception of how things were gonna go. So I was busy there, like doing my own shit, looking at and shama jokes. Go back to check directors, right sound rolling in one. I'm gonna serious, but then I'm there, like come and make interview. Then I'm just there, like it's so awkward.
Yeah.
Cameras rolling in 1, 2, like
And
fuck.
action.
Yeah.
That time I'm supposed to now start speaking when that happens, and then I'm still trying to like wrap my head around.
And I feel like Lokana get too, Loka.
Okay, at the beginning maybe, but you get used to it because normally it's stand by. When you say stand by, everyone takes their positions, right? You director is in where says director has stand by. Everyone takes their positions, right? And I want to so sharp. Silence on set. Everyone is now silent. Then goes like camera. Camera has to indicate rolling, sound, recording, call it. So we are Luana. What name of the show? Scene what take one car. A movement.
Ikomele siqalisa ukukwenza.
Then directors city. Action.
Sizakhuluma into eziyakhayo.
All those cues are very important because when editing is those cues that you follow. Because you need to hear this is scene 1, take number 1. And so like sound umuntu recorder. You have recorded that scene what.
So lo mtavazo benza njani?
Sorry? Obvious, everything. Because you have to cue exactly. You have to cue everyone. Because editor probably being here. So he just needs to know this sound I'm taking from this take and I mix some takes.
But good trick.
Yeah, but it's amazing. Editing is even way amazing. Yeah. Amazing.
Anyways,
you should come on set, guys, when you're doing our films.
yes, yabuye.
Mina ngeke ngabuya, but uninvited. Yakhumbula.
Which one, by the way?
You guys were
Ngabe
doing-
sidla.
Nah, they were actually on set. Then ngadlule center ngakhulumisa le. Then ngathi nginganga ngale, then I'm like, what? Ngabona wonke umuntu ekhangele
Kanje,
kimi ukuthi
sasila?
yeah, sasilapha the other side.
Oh, the other side.
Doda ngangena
Yeah,
center. How far 40 nchayini bumping kanjani ngapha ncheni. Zasala ze zanzondela. I'm sure zanzondela.
Because everything kuhle scene, then you have that one part.
Mina ngile trauma of recording a music video, bro.
Okay, please, I'm sorry.
Dog, basishayisa amatheka I think angu-30. Bese into eyifana umjida wayishaya nge-psychology. Wayebuya athi, right gents, yabona kare silokhu likwenzile yana? Yikho vele kumele liyenze sharp. Asiphindeni futhi. So wena inethu sitshela hatsho ukuthi into le vele siyenza vele proper. Only to discover ukuthi silokhu senza into eyi-1, meaning ukuthi asiyenzanga sharp. Asiphindisa.
Or sometimes I mean, if at a different angle. And the angle. So most music videos I've seen, especially Alapa, either a gimbal, I'm cameras for different angles. But some want to say, okay, like when I was doing that Impacts advert,
so advertising impacts la.
So when I did that advert, that commercial, we had 2 cameras, but there's always the one important one. That always is the English Funa. We took hours to do that thing. It became 1 hour, 1 minute, what for something. and it took hours.
Yabe lilungiselele 1 minute.
1 minute, yeah.
They want 1 minute isikhathi eside.
Bruh.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Auntie ladies.
Yeah. Mina ngifuna ukubuya kuthangweni kusethi ka ma40 kodwa nxa ngasomama angifuni. Angivumi.
So mama. But
Angivumi.
kuya ngescript
Angiyakhumbula
script.
sikhula sithi nxa kuthiwa kulamatope and stuff.
Ha.
La nxa ngasomama indlala.
Ngicanga ukubuza amatope lini eladlalayo lafika to what extent?
I feel like
I don't remember taking off my clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
no.
also did it.
I don't
Yeah,
remember
okay.
taking off my
Why
clothes.
you not? I feel like
That's where it was going.
you're
I know
trying to
this
share
guy.
something.
No, you
No,
with
no,
us.
no.
This
I-
question
this
has been
is a
asked
safe
before.
space.
Lalalani,
This
guys.
question has been asked before.
I've said this and I'll say it again.
I've said.
I've said on this podcast that to me, the things I talk here, I represent not only my views,
Yes.
but the views of my other friends there at Makoko North by the bridge there, who cannot come here and sit and ask these questions. And some of these questions, I know you guys want to talk about these things, but you are ashamed.
Nah, I never took off
No,
my clothes.
siyakuzwa.
Mm.
But khona kanti
Alifikanga
I'm
It was dry humping, dog.
Exactly.
Ligqoka impahla pe.
Yikho phela kathi mina
Then
vele
I have
wena
a question though. Where
Then
the
uma
hell?
voting nxa
Because
ilunguzile.
I have a question though. Where did we
So
get
it
the
means
sound
he
from?
did, right?
Where did we
He
get the
did.
sound from?
only angani was a universal sound.
Where did we get that sound from? No, but
Angazi ukuthi
where-
ihle
how did we get that sound as kids?
I think
You know what's funny? Next time I have rounds, I want to say ihle. I want to say
If she is silly like me, we are going to respond.
Like
Like joke. But if she's not, if she's not, we are
Ethi ngicoseke
But if
phezulu.
she's silly like me, mina sengathi
alapha soku ismoke kufuna kuyiliyana like maybe engekho serious yabo, one of those
ikhona
yabona
serious.
aphongu kulala ndaba selahlala isikhathi maybe lingabona nanga phela.
Oh yeah.
Depend anti yabona kuya depend, abanye bahlala bonke abanye abahlali bonke yabo, halaphana kwethu uthi sithi sihlangana after some time uthi hayi
No, but labeli ngekho uyakhumbula into okuyitsho one time ukuthi
2 weeks back.
Yes, ngithi one time watsho something along the lines of how can people be parties and they are together. That's why I think nxa lile relationship yena leyana ukuba you guys have been together now you're like uskimo. Aliya joke.
You know, my grandparents never called each other husband and husband.
No.
Ngoba-
Banguchomi, my grandparents. Banguchomi, chomi, alpha, eskim, alpha. That's who they are. Bayabangena endlini behlabela ingoma kafethi boom boom. Awumbambe. Awusikise ngamakhangela
Yeah, kuyachaza nje ukubona abantu abadala bethandana.
But yeah, it was amazing.
Mina I think bro for the longest ngakhula ngizitshela ukuthi umasala wami lo mdala wamabali nguboneka like I think ngubone last year
Adulting.
ukuthi they argue.
Yeah.
Ngangazaki bro phambi kwami babona. Then this one time I'm watching TV,
Yeah.
like i-room labo le dining lokuzenini same fanana duzane lapha.
Yeah.
Lo ivolume ngizwe
So,
anhleki. Le time le anhleki. Uma oyethi awulimele. But yazi ukuthi table lapha lalicaphu.
Babe offended.
But yangazaki like
who is
ngizwe like umuntu
No, I
element yakhe
think
la.
someone was saying something along the lines. Oh yeah. My niece and I were talking about ukuthi healthy relationships and stuff. I think my perception is healthy relationships kahle yes it's healthy to fight abo psychologists batsho njalo labo phela but anyways batsho njalo bathi yeke healthy uthi likele ixabane blah blah but it shouldn't be ukuxabana lokhana ngokuthi it can't be yona le njengeka Masalo mdala uthi Masalo yena udubuyile ngohlekani. She's not taking this next person seriously, but the next person is really in his feelings and he's feeling that kind of way. And it's those small, really sweet, funny fights and whatever, and you keep it moving. But if it's like it's those rare moments abalwi phambi kwakho.
Yeah.
Those are healthy situations
Yeah,
where
and
they're not fighting like that.
But
Kodwa ngiphinda ngithanda umgosi lo anwa next door nxa babesilwa njalo mina kwakungichaza ngoba yabembukela.
Yeah, because
my granddad had this thing he used to do, right? But you can see what no, this guy does it knowingly.
Oh, yeah.
Ukuthi uchomi la awukuthandi, but I'm gonna play with you like that. My grandfather will be watching TV, so sibukele Miami Sense. I don't know if you guys remember Miami Sense.
You're old.
Yeah, so my 40 days.
But
So
ngambukela
we're watching
uMiami
Miami
Sense.
Sense. Kwakulo muntu sekuthiwa nguSandra. Amasini kaSandra kwakule Stonyeni. There was always, you know something, right? Kunakana kudala ukuthi bakhiphana impahla kodwa badala ngaboni anything, right? Mukazi ukhisana kulo memuzo ukuthi hayi kikithareli arekayenzi namuthi arekakhisana. Asibangicapura ndaba. So ebe khulume senza so. Abakhisane phela. Unesehlele bakwazi uyakwazi no Sandra. Man, I'm like, you know it over, but somehow that's how they were playing.
umasalo every time kwakuphuma a sex scene, not even a sex scene, siyawazi ama-scenes ka-generations la nokumbatha ngengubo. Anytime kuyenzakala into enjalo sithi yikho likukholisayo khonokho. First of all,
Why is ukuzikhiphela
ayisiyimobile script sika-generations mzali khonokuthi ukuzaphuma la bengingakwazi njengawo. Actually la uhlezi ubukele la sibukele so yena wayesesigezi ulokuze uRalph right my sithi wayehlevela ahlazikhipha kwi-equation.
But like webe yengekile njenga.
Kwawulento ukuthi ngambanelala.
Yeah, thina that babe
Yeah.
say that.
No, sasile censorship,
Njani ngathi
guys.
anibesibukele esikholisa
We
sonke.
weren't watching together.
Why this
all of
movie?
these
Why
things.
can't I finish this movie? Ambanelala. But guys, besibukele sihleka sonke.
But omunye okudangerous engawunanzelelayo garezi like nxa kubukele kungala muntu lawe maybe olaleleyo ukuthi you are watching something from a distance, anime.
Yeah.
Huh?
No, anime has never been like, oh my god. Anime will get you into trouble.
Yes.
Anime could have. Anime is probably responsible for
guys,
a lot of
you're
relationships
fighting. Why
going
these
into
sounds?
the tank.
Serious.
Because
Ama
ama
sounds-
sounds angikhona.
ama sounds
anime, bra.
no.
Ayenzi.
Yeah.
Zobe zingane ziyakhuluma but ingane ziyakuthi.
Kuna ziyabe silwa bra.
Wait,
Is
that's the extent of anime that you've watched.
Yeah.
Dragon Ball Z.
Kuphela nje.
Wow.
Not even
Aye,
more than
aye.
that.
Awuzabukeli.
Awuzabukela anime.
I probably won't.
There was this video.
It's not your vibe.
There are two videos that kind of tip drill.
But babe senza ama sounds.
You remember the video tip drill, right? Nelly's video tip drill.
Yes.
For me, it was one of the first video I didn't know it, right? For me.
Likho vele ngabona khona umpanka lapha.
So lapha
uhlezi lapha.
you remember the constant ufika ama VCD. So Nelly was popping then.
Yeah.
So I
Efaki
yeah,
Akwapho.
VCD ka Nelly lapha na mana si fake check. Spugere. At some point, this is a family time. Spugere VCD ka Nelly sakholisa la.
Ushaya
kwakuthi tip drill.
dilemma.
Remote, I don't know why. A remote, when you're supposed to fast forward, it goes in slow motion.
vele lapha
No,
nyama
the volume nxa uzama ukuyehlisa, that's when it's like,
fanana lokukhalela
Ukura mseloke khangele so ukura muthi. Say ukura bezama ugogo muthi kwinloku. Cool. Years later, Rude Boy.
wesithi kwinto yabona garesu ukhulu ngani sekhuluma njengomarudula
No,
wena
ukula ekhangele swan. Wayesa ukubona. Ugogo wathi kwinloku. Ukulapo ngokukhangela sokuthi and bazobuya come on Rude Boy. Yabona ole tense ka Rihanna echild yana. Ay kasi tense. Yakasa wena. Isivuna masikriza. Mina mana ngitshintsha channel ukuthi ukhiphela.
Engukhulu kama 40.
Kuloko was a
Kuloko
character.
interviewer.
No, apparently,
Yeah.
unfortunately, you can't passed away in 2022.
would have been a character.
I was a
Kulu.
character, man.
I guess he's here though, but
Yeah.
like Kulu, love it for you guys.
But Jazzy, I have a
You're
question for
awesome.
you guys. Imbuzo lo ngihlala ngibuza like my interviews because I don't take you guys seriously here.
Okay.
We're not friends actually.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
we're not.
How many weeks ago was that, guys? How many weeks was that?
Actually, footek.
2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
guys. 2 weeks ago.
No, but
Zakudala khona.
befuna ukubuza ukuthi like selikhulile guys, sesikhulile la.
Yeah.
What do you appreciate about your parents? Maybe back then into yangikhona kade ngesikhathi kusenzakala
Yeah.
ongakuthathi sharp, but
Ndio
now
uthanda
that
umbuzo lo
you're an adult, umbuzo lo ngiyathanda ukubuza because ama response abantu are different and ezikhathini eziningi are interesting. Ngifuna ukuzwa lini ukuthi like yini into eli appreciate ngabazali because uqhakathekile futhi ukuthi siba appreciate nxa
Wazali
besasekhona.
appreciation day.
My mom for me was a strictness. My mom was strict. She was that lady who thinks I said getting bra. engakevula igedi nxa ungakagezi uyafika sukugezile nxa imiganu ingakageziswa uyafika imiganu sigezile like sure that person
Yeah.
she made sure that you had to understand that do your job on time so that ungabe lama inconveniences here and there, right? Lenye into yorana yokuthi do whatever you want, right? But manje umama would take it a step further. My mom was like ijini likhulu kulawe umuntu no yarifuna yafuma so like oh yarifuna ekuthenga ebese uthenga ijini and nxa ijini iwaste inkulu nxa usifaka ibhoti kwa chopana ebese lithakini so mina uhambe wena njani into zichopena abantu bebukela uthini yabo
manje right.
She was to us she was like I want you to understand you can do whatever you want but there are always consequences that come with your decision.
Repercussions.
Understand
Yeah.
that part. That was number one. And then my dad ubaba wami wayejari ubuya sibukela ama-cartoon so ehlala lathi sibukela ama-cartoon and you're telling us that this is our time and they say we ehlala lathi sibukela ama-cartoon. I'm starting to realize no this guy was spending quality time with us because you'd come back from work first watch cartoons and then go out. It's something that but you actually knock off first every ending first watch those cartoons with you engaphela ebese hamba out and hang out with his friends. But when you grow up I'm like okay that guy actually took time and while into lana ukuthi nxa wayengakumeli nje nxa kuzibheda my dad wayengakumeli ungabuye umunye umzali ezopopota ngawuthi wenzela umntwana wakhe my dad wathi ngeni lapha ndoda mele indaba yakho. So sometimes uthi baba mngandithande kanchiya my dad was always teaching us to always represent ourselves. Now that I'm older I'm like but you know what that's why I'm able to stand up for myself any given time. That's what I appreciate. That's what I appreciate for my
He
parents.
made you strong, even if you're not.
But those was my parents for me.
And the man was strong.
With some stretch marks.
madoda andinguwe ndoda
With some stretch marks.
hayi idobhe nini madoda
With some stretch marks.
Dobha nini, dobha nini.
Phakamisa nini?
Justice
Justice for the zebra.
hayi ungayisa phezulu kuhamba ikhanyile sisengabomi sizayibisela lapho uma ihlale khona ayisakhanyi ifake nabede ifake khona lena libe careful kodwa libe lingikhanyele mprepare set le manje lezilibulala lapha lezilibulala
lapha mfo.
I know.
Uledela
So jealous.
sokushapa ikelani phela lokuyiqamela inganithwa ngenkini
Mina bese
I think abantu labana. No. Awukaze nuba ngodubeni. Kaze
Uzokhuluma on the
ngodubeni.
mic la.
Khuluma mic lapha sikhuluma ku mic sikuzwe abantu bekuzwe. Ini? Awulobola ngodube futhi ukhulumani wena.
Oh.
Ama stage marks ewathanda.
Lina appreciate ani ngabazali.
Come to think of it, bro.
From my dad, I appreciate the fact that my dad used to buy board games, and I'm not the person you want to have over for board games. I'm so competitive, like it can become a beef sasingazondana in board games. But that was my dad's way of bonding with us. And also that was my dad's way of like just teaching us ukuthi games like sportsmanship, like
Mele be competitive.
because baba mvele wayengena like that whole thing yokuthi ngumntwana let me let you win. He would whoop you. He would whoop your ass to the point where you so frustrated. I remember many times crying because my dad had whooped my ass at a game. But that always made me come back stronger. Like ngihamba nge-perfect skills nxa ngiphende wa-monopoly laphana ngithenga wonke ama-estate adura yabo. Also ngizayenza njalo in my life.
Amen.
And my mom also, I think, khonokho ukuthi strictness yabazali bethu, I think we take it for granted sometimes, but I feel like I took that whole thing stand up ka Lokhuzenini eka Eddie Griffin esithi my mom beat the penitentiary out of me. Sometimes discipline leyana emergency important because and if my mom had not reined me in the type of person that I am when I reflect now when I was younger and a teenager, son.
You needed
I wouldn't be where I am like as a person. My mom needed to do that. It was important. So I appreciate her for that. Ule trauma related to it now, but
yeah, it is izinto when like there's a thin line.
yeah.
Ukuthi sharp but at the same time kule trauma lokuyi abuse okuseceleni
Yeah. No,
Yabo.
ikhona i-element yankhona, but if the other thing that I wanted to be grateful to my dad about is my dad. I remember this one time when I was a teenager or whatever, and they went through my diary. They went through my diary when abantu abadala ngabuye ivuliwe ugogo phela until yakhuluma ukuthi ngithe ugogo thanda ukuba sempilweni. I'm like, yo guys, that girl,
You have a cool grandma.
Uye,
You have a cool grandma.
she's cool. And I say that
Also
with
emphasize.
trepidation.
She's cool.
Yeah, no, ugogo wami cool in general, but that one time was not cool. And she opened, and then it was a whole family thing. Like literally everyone who is anyone was reading my innermost thoughts and feelings and whatever. And like it was a whole thing. And then my dad, maybe a year or two later, wrote me a letter, 3 pages long. And he apologized for a lot of things that I felt he was supposed to apologize for. He addressed a lot of things that were a bone of contention with us, but he also reminded me, Guti, those are the trials of growing up in an African family, and also be grateful for if African family of because my African family is not so conservative African. We're quite it's liberal. I think I said it a week or two back. We're quite a liberal family in Kayan. So, you know, he apologized, and that was for me. And I was like, yo, my guy. And I held on to that. I have never lacked the ability ukuthi no matter ngimdala kanjani lo muntu omncane in my family, angizenza ngathi I'm above an apology. That is that resonated with me throughout. Like my nieces, my nephews, they know ukuthi hayi mina ngiyazihambula guys ngamonjani. Just Harry boy, sorry. Also ngiqala Harry, like angathi I don't care, but also eventually I get to the point where I'm like, I'm giving you a heartfelt one. It's important. I think we take for granted how important an apology is.
Yeah.
My mom used to do this.
Yeah.
When you come back from school, my mom would tell you everything that has happened, that came out on the news. And when the news time on radio, she wanted you to listen to the news on radio. When then we had the high school quiz that was happening, and she'll make sure all of you are watching high school quiz. Because high school quiz will be boring. Not Emma box. The high school quiz, not the other one. The actual high school quiz.
25 out of 25.
Smart
Those are
board,
later
smart guy.
stages.
All the high school quiz, I also Mr. Mickles. It's a boy guy, Eric Block, they used to also high school music. Oh, high school from Zimbabwe used to compete with high school music, high school quiz. So
I remember.
Our mom used to make us watch that. Like whenever I want to do something, she would make us watch that. And then it was on Wednesday. Then on Fridays, she would then take you through the quiz engine. Pass mark was way after. Pass mark was when I was now in high school. I'm talking when I was in primary school.
But like kumbulela ne 25 out of 25 la nekuthi babe bhala so
I once went there pass mark. So what then happened was Konokiana ukuthi my mom made us aware of what's happening in the world. This is why I'm always like information. I grasp information, I touch information.
Inkani yena wayifundiswa mbani?
Inkani, unfortunately, as ukuthi I think I inherited Inkani from either side of my family, bro. Like ubaba mngala Inkani. Like my mom is a bit of it. My grandma. Oh, my mom's side. Ooh.
So ithatha ko mama
Inkani.
inkani.
Ngalo kwabami. Oh. So both ends, bro. You should see my youngsters. Yeah.
Good trick. I advocate for umntwana ngicela ungakhulumi ngaye endaweni
I'm saying no, she's cool.
Yeah,
she's cool people, but yeah. That's bro. My mom, yeah.
Like sisakhuluma izitori zethu zokufunda so
yeah,
people that are listening commentani.
What I appreciate now.
I feel like we are church guys. Ngesikhathi kumele siye church, I think kwakulo street soccer or something. Kwakulama cartoon ngichaza. So at the time it really
Saturday morning.
Yeah, it really felt like they were
stealing your time.
Stealing my time or oppressing me or Saturday, I think the chess club and other things that I used to like.
The
But
most sports amaningi
even le
lessons
bora,
zakala
even le
yes.
bora, ngangicahle ukuthi ngidlala ibhora mina cause very training Saturday. So all those things at the time really sucked, bro. Because ngemanje remember zezixoxa ukuthi Saturday kusenzakalo lama fight uzukhuthe lama fight into imagine. Then but anyway as I grew then I said it was actually I was better off in church anyway.
Yeah.
You know,
Church uyabonga ngafuni especially in winter bra.
Mm.
Then you say I'm church. But then when my mom left, church became my place of my safe space.
Yeah.
Considering the type of community I was growing up in. My mom doesn't drink alcohol, right?
You wanna do drink?
I don't drink alcohol. My first born and I don't drink. The third born doesn't drink. The fourth born doesn't drink. We all don't drink, but our dad drinks. And everyone, our grandmother, our grandfather, our uncles, all their wives, our aunts, their husband, everyone was drinking. So for me, that was always around. So we went to church on Saturdays and saying some stuff over church Saturday and going to church on Sunday and coming back. I'm with about 12. That kept me in a very safe space for me. And yeah.
Mina, I appreciate, I think, a community at Juliani church because we went, Forte and I went to the same church and we grew up together and stuff. Guys, like, youth here to that time really pulled us through a lot of stuff. We were going through it. No. We have so many memories from that time. That's why he's like reflecting on it like that. And that time was really special for us. Lakate-san, I feel like if we were to do a reunion.
We came out okay.
No, we came out okay. We're cool people.
Do you guys think you're okay?
We are okay.
We could have been something else.
We could have been worse.
Yeah, but here I am.
No, what we were like, even if we were to do a reunion, I feel like we should.
We should do a reunion. I was only thinking about it.
We should do a reunion because some of them came through this year.
Usase ichechi
No, but listen. I always tell people. I played table tennis because it was dead church through my youth. I played basketball, church. I played soccer, coach soccer. Like we had all the facilities. We had all the facilities.
I don't think we have the facilities for that.
For that big man.
So we had almost everything. And then we used to travel. We would go to youth camps around Zimbabwe, we used to do a whole lot of things. Easter young as I spend Easter church to all Easter as youth. We used to go. We used to travel, and we used to command respect in the whole of Zimbabwe. Kwa watu wafiki senkalama, kwa watu matebland. Nga kama matebland ya vile pasi yao, senkalama ya vile pasi yao.
Yeah.
That's how powerful we were. And I look back, there are so many people's lives who are way better now because of that youth group. There are so many people who became wayward because they lost that. And now the time to recover is cool, but bro, we enjoyed Panji in the world and in a church. So there was no reason for me when Zanyambi near Kitty disco somewhere. Because the church used to have Omis Vanibani, Lama Fan Days, and all this disco. We used to have we used to have our own pieces. We used to have everything. So Ngavru Kita, the Kitty church.
That's what guys. We used to have a fun time. We used to have a fun time. So for us, church bro was everything. Like youth for us was youth for real.
Exactly.
Like even patron Msasa was cool people. That guy, like he put us through.
Here's the funny part. Msasa Sasi soga ku youth so kill am old yo.
Yeah, you're old.
What?
I mean, anyways,
yeah.
Into I appreciate us enkulile one. Like actually appreciate it recently. Guys, la wazi ukukhula ulo masalo lo mdala seyimawazi abanye abantu abakwazi like awukho normal kwabanye abantu.
True, yeah.
And for that I think you appreciate it. Benditshela ukuthi ngangaza ke mbabone futhi besilwa yabo and ma usuhlala phansi labanye abantu bekutshela upbringing like messed up, but anyways present parents.
Or just like you remember when I was telling the guys earlier before we started recording ukuthi presence a male presence in a female's life. I think as it's not that big a deal for some of us who grew up with our parents and our dads or whatever. But at the same token, now so ever exposed to whatever it is in the world, you realize, wow, thank God you didn't go and buy milk and never come back, bro. Thanks for
Yeah,
coming back.
Yeah.
bakhona abazali abasuka besiyathenga uchago bahamba. But I think okunye engu appreciateayo hygiene.
Yeah.
Like mina umasalo bro konga like imgani ibingalali ngagezanga. Whether ungazigezise ngo quarter to midnight, but mayevuka enekuseni ngasoke vele like imgana kwela mgani. And khona ukungurealize akaresi like sensiba yi1 ukuthi bro ma sengizibona ngigezisa imgana like amfuni lami like espacing sami amfuni ukuthola kule mgani engagezanga. Ungabona ilokhu zenini ungabona idust phansi like ungcolile. And khona ukhana yilokhu zenini upbringing abadala, the fact that abadala wathi khula babesithi wena hamba uthangela lapha ucaphuke but khokha kwahlala lathi yikho sibanje so.
Yeah, even cooking. I was taught cooking. Yeah. I was taught cooking in example grade 7.
Angaze ngizwe umuntu onokikho apha podcast.
Like we were cooking. We were taught cooking and somehow I think our mom somehow why she's gonna be out of our lives for like 17 years. So whatever she did for us, since primary school, like even teaching us how to cook, she kind of knew Guti. She for 17 years.
Watch our pass.
Why she was in the UK for 17 years, right? So all that she taught us. But now when she's away, it's only boys. Bro, we held it down.
Yeah.
We held it down.
But
and
anyways,
I appreciate that.
ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
30
welcome
minutes.
to another episode of the BYO podcast in Ngxoxo 99. After that, after that interesting podcast we had last week, a very interesting podcast. Yeah, asi abantu babangomama.
Ayazi singamabhilida thina.
Andi basikhuza ngelokuze ngemduli yokuplast imduli ecotton. Namhla sibe sifaka amalo kwezinini.
Paint ile
painting. Sesiyayisa but you get the point.
You get the point. Actually siyiwise ngaboma ukuthi babone ukuthi no.
Kanesi sapenda.
Isesiplastile sapenda wona imduli yelokwezinini. But an interesting conversation or conversations we had. Do you guys feel like kulezi into elalifuna responda kizo that time? Let's hold up back because he wanted.
Yeah, it was for the girls, so they had to.
We had to kind of, you know, because.
But some of the things really, for me personally, maybe I agreed with them. Maybe 70-80% thereabout.
What is it that you didn't agree with us on?
Now I can't remember.
30% or 20%.
Last week was a long time ago.
So. It was a long time ago.
Another thing
could have been
though,
ruminating the whole time.
For me was at some point there was no need for us to really air out our views because people end up being emotional and triggered, and so we needed to create a safe environment for them to push out everything that they want to let out.
Yeah, it's important.
Right? Without us without even fun with moments where we were, you know, but it was always a nice environment. But for me now, having to sit here now and having watched the episode, and you guys said, my photo, same piece my photo podcast. There were things that for me were like, really?
Like?
Women, everything around women is changing. Everything around a man is not changing. Men 1900s or whatever, and men now, it's more or less the same. Like, life of my daughter, it changed when wife changes the status quo. At the moment, if one can change the status quo. Like, David, when a man after God's heart,
David head.
Then you know, status quo. Yeah. Abraham was told, I'm going to give you a son. Who said, I want to get out here. Good thing, 2K. So it's always at a point for me. I know girls are going to come after me, but everything keeps changing because women are always changing status quo. So there are things that women are really pushing, and you'll be like, but do we understand that as far as men, the world is concerned, or how things are, or things, this is how it's supposed to be. You cannot come and tell you as a girl, hey, you need to be okay with my history. Ulama body count 50. No, that's my past, and you just want us to be okay with it. No, it doesn't work like that. It's a perfect world you wanna create, but it doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
The other girl was like, I'm gonna hide the
Ukuthi had an
ukuthi
abortion.
I had an abortion, right? But then I will hide also that I have 3 or 4 kids. Sesiphila manga sonke. So I think there are moments where I feel that no, but ladies, that's not how it's supposed to be. In the way abortion also, you wanna abort, it's your body and all that. If I say I don't wanna keep this baby, I think let's also follow suit. That I don't want the baby. Don't take me to court for maintenance then. Because I told you I don't want it. Don't keep it. No. You know the person who's laughing and spoke of double standards. Isn't that a double standard?
This one is a different
It's not a double standard though. Because it's your body, it's my money. Come on. Because who's going to work out the money? It's my body that's going to work for that money. It's my body also going to work for that money.
Big.
Yeah.
So,
No.
Disappeared.
So for me, it was those moments say I really couldn't go all in like that because it was gonna seem insensitive. But here we are. It's your body to do whatever you want with it. It's my money. Let me do what I want with it.
Valid.
Those
Gordon.
were
Yes,
things.
Gucci, and I will receive that. I'll say valid.
Yeah.
Valid. As in, I'm thinking.
Yeah, but yeah, he's actually making sense.
Sense and line.
No, but that for me, that was part number 2. I think women.
Kuluma.
I'm gonna give it a cultural context.
Yes, please.
In an African setup, right? Where there's umuntu oyindoda, guys. Who umuntu oyindoda is. It's all about maybe it's the wrong way to use ego or pride.
Yeah.
For the guys, an ego or pride thing.
And it's easily bruised.
Right? It's easily bruised. Now, you are the woman, you want everything. You want to set up, you want to have your monies, you want to have your companies, you want to be the complete woman. You are taking my role as a man. Clearly, you don't need a man. If you are that type of woman, you wanna be that woman that goes and create her own empire. You don't need a man. Don't say, hey, I can't have men because I'm successful. No, you don't need a man. Because you've become one. Right? Men build empires. Sorry to say. Men build empires. This is what I mean. As a woman, you come into my life. I'll take you to school. But if I find you at 8, I have to leave you at 15. Right? That means I'm going to, degree. Now open your own company. I'm giving you seed money. You are prop you up. As a man, I'm like, hey, Jota provided for his wife.
Because you are just an egotistic
No,
bastard.
not nothing to do with egotistic.
You're just an egomaniac.
No, but that's how it is. That's how it is.
No.
But that's who you that's what
Chauvinistic
men
bastard.
You're a man.
What's wrong?
A man is judged by what he can do for his family and his woman. But if you have done everything, what can I then do for you?
No, but Mafoti.
Yeah, nigga, baby.
I feel like
Like, is that not enough?
no lalela. Sesinga sabale PP. As my sister is saying. Umfazi noma elezinto zakhe figured out, bro.
No, I have no problem with a woman who's figured out. But when you say you're
No.
complete, bruh.
Iyo pheli figured out yona complete Mafoti.
Kani zigaba lo.
Iyo figured out like umfazi mayele izinto zakhe figured out yabo. Wena ungafika la njengomjito show ukuthi bro ngiyakubona my sister Cherwam ngiyakubona ukuthi you are this type of a woman and I know for a fact ukuthi izinto ezinje so uyakwanisa ukuzenzela zona bathekela ngikwenzela akuvumeli ukwenze konke khona bakhona abavumayo ukuthi
Mcini, 90%, maybe my stats might be off here. But
la
almost
ngawakho
right. 90% of
According to
those
you.
type of women, according to, in my humble opinion, according to me, Uma 40, not
Yep.
my 8, right? 90% of those women, to be then told, oh, relax, let me do it for you. I can do this for myself. I'm independent. Those are the women that I'm...
ngakuthandi nalo
Right. Oh, can't stand.
ngakuthanda
Onthandayo
umfazi
uyakuthiya.
okuthandayo yani uza kuvumela like umfazi okuthandayo wena mana ngicela ukuqedisa
Yes,
njengomuntu
yes.
osowathandwayo njengomuntu wathandwayo
Yes, go ahead, my bro.
yabo ukuthi umuntu uza kuvumela bro yazi abafazi bayafuna ukuba ngabafazi but it takes indoda ezafikela ibe indoda ukuthi la azabe ngumfazi like that.
Okay.
Singafika sonke ma-40 amajita these days siyadedesa bro.
Uyadedesa.
Like siyadedesa. As I said, I represent what? Kadesi send represent izithombe ezafunda e-CBC ovuyi. Amajita siyadedesa bro.
Okay.
And when ungafika ungumjita lwana othi khona ngaso-ke vele akuvumeli ukuthi ulead yabo.
Yeah.
But ungafika ube sharp. Sengike ngawu-experience mina. I'm sure la uyawu-experience. uRalph la akulokhu uzawu-experience.
Yeah.
Yabo. Uma ukuthanda uza kuvumela. Uma isister bekhuluma something
Yeah,
about
khuluma
before.
No, bengifuna ukuthi ukuthi nje la sesihluke one hluthu nemlonyeni. But yeah, like if you are the man, nxa unguyena uzaphiwa indawo yakho kangutshela. If there's one thing about human beings be women in particular, if unguyena sibili uzaphiwa indawo yakho. Ama-short kings angama-kings wena for a reason. The reason why kuthiwa ngo-short king ngoba noma emfitshane njalo ukhona usisoyeyisa i-short guy whatever but ukhona usisomthatha i-short king yakhe amfaka abe nguking ebekuphethe
Debefakiwa
late.
no umuntu akabe akufika kunika indawo yakho. She knows when to let you be the man of the house. She knows when to give you your place. But she also can survive when you are not at home. You understand? Also kufika yonke into ibhasala lama light ecicile engasebenzi ngoba yena ohlule ukubisela i-light bulb. But when ungafika maybe ingxenye eliche khathesi wena usegedini sengakulinda ukuthi ungena akhona apha sisemnyameni yazi asilama light ngoba
but ngingakukhanda ulifake light.
Yeah, uyabona that's a different situation altogether. But I will then, I will see if I notice this guy is about to show up. I will say, yeah, you know what?
Lokuvula igabha le mayonnaise.
Mina ngiyakwazi ukulungisa iplumbing. But amanzi ngiyayekela ngithi hawa. Amanzi sesithele nzima.
Sorry. Kunjengebhora. Ngizayenza i-example ye-Liverpool because ye ngisupportana.
Wow, okay, yeah.
Firmino, Mane, Salah, that front three. Bro, amajita lana ayela ma-opportunity okuhlohla. But you'd find amanye ama-instances usala kulokuthi awusala waye-selfish. Mana ngithi uba
Firmino lo Mane.
umane kulokuthi ahlohle sometimes. Wayengahlohli but apasele lokhuze nini? Apasele uFirmino usala ukuthi kanjani? Ahlohle. Kunjalo lama relationship. It's not like because gadesi considering ukuthi yabona i-generation esikiyo bro. Abantu osisi bayafunda ndoda. Osisi bayafunda.
Very important.
Le economy esikiyo gadesi yabona ibheda njani?
Yeah,
like asi economy esivumela ukuthi uhlale phansi wena umelele ukuthi indoda it provide for you. And noma uphuma from a family elemali bro. Abasoke bakwekele nje inkazana bathi ahlala phansi uzathi kumele wenze something yabo. So chances ukuthi mafowethu sithole ucherry like sithole ucherry nje ukuthi ngizathola ucherry omele ngimhambise esikolo ngo2025.
It was an example yana.
It
was an example. Excuse me. It was an example to say it's for me I would say women emancipation, right, is important. I don't disagree with it, right? But everything is a degree or its limitations, right? Because we end up breeding males with vaginas without being transgender. You get my point? Because no. We actually need to be very careful of what we're trying to make our society be. We are emasculating women. No. We are giving male roles women now, right? Like kulama roles at work, you can be a CEO. I've not had a problem with the woman as a CEO, and I'm working as an accounting officer at the company. That's not a problem, right? It's when those roles at work are then taken up and copy paste in the house for gender roles. That's another tricky thing. Because I remember Akuma, that other week, the ladies spoke about we are not well represented. Hey, what is we're trying to talk about contraceptives and everything. And in my mind, I'm like, the same very people are saying are not being represented. They don't want to take part in these platforms. They are the ones who say, I will vote out, I will say, are the ones who cry everything, but they don't want to actually.
Not all of them do that.
Yeah.
Okay, a large portion of them. Right? And a large
That's also
portion, because of the
debatable.
world, because of globalization and how the world is working, and people end up saying, you know what, I cannot want to advocate for this. I can always go live to a country that allows this. People then migrate, leaving behind the same problem for future generations without wanting to change or hoping to change what the status quo is. So I feel sometimes it's important, yes, we understand in the context of the country that we live in, but it is also important to understand that it's not about us, it's about the next generation also of girls that we need to fix this for.
Yep.
So by choose but they are selective to what works and what doesn't work. Double standards. It's unfortunate, but that's how it is.
Yeah.
So kahle when your beef with us is double standards.
It's a beef with everyone, whether males and females. Double standards, we all know double standards. No. On either
So
end.
for conversation then like a week ago
Yeah.
in the body count.
That matters, bro. There's an example where we don't say chai pants. An example right? Skuma before the show, right? Uma sister la Cynthia. Cynthia
Amana sikhuluma ibizele ngekho eduzane.
Cynthia kona.
Cynthia mbani?
Hame bhenqa ukhona osibukile uCynthia.
Ora una Cynthia sorry. Snika wena ibizo. Snika ibizo.
Khonzile.
Okay, usikhonzile.
Usikhotho kayenzi. Ngiyasidlalisa.
Anyway, usikhonzile. Now my sister usikhonzile la. Usikhonzile says, I'm not going to sleep with a guy I don't know. I need to sleep with someone who I get to know through and through. Within 2 months, you know the guy is taking you, I'm so caught on right? Treating you well. You will smash. Once, I was sharp. 2, after that, ghost you. When he's no longer communicating, I can't be with a guy who doesn't communicate with me, you break up with the guy. Guy, okay, breeze now, say figure. How come there's some saying some work?
Okay, please, let's start teaching about jokes.
Okay, please now.
Okay, please, let's have a podcast now.
Podcast, video, trace la pana. Seven trace my sister. Cape Please, Cape Town. My sister 2 months later, yeah. Sending Cape Please cake. Cape Please maybe focus child. Cape Please once, it hanging zwang. 2, Cape Please. It got so good, Laro Sharon. Oh, you cheated on me. I can't be the guy who cheated on me. You move on. Next month, same thing. You cheat, but you're maintaining your as a chick. She's maintaining the standards. I mean, I don't sleep with the person I didn't know. So every 2 months, she's sleeping with someone. Every a slang and my fault. My fault. I'm exactly who she is. I'm done young. You know, every a my fault. In the past 12 months, I've slept. I don't sleep with any guy who doesn't know me. Because in the past 12 months, I only slept with 4 guys.
But ibanga kochela bakhuluma njalo.
In a year. No. This is an example. In a year, so that I'm 4. My 413. Body count doesn't matter. In a year, 4 guys.
Hey.
Body count doesn't matter. No, let's put it out there.
4 out of 12.
4
is
every
a
2
fail
months.
mark.
Every 2 months. Every 2 months she's fucking someone.
4 out of 12 is a fail
So
mark.
Lama can stay for 2 months.
Every 2 months. That's what. That should be 6 guys.
Yeah,
Madodi
6 guys.
Hayi wena uhlangane lawe.
50%.
Andi la uhlangane lawe phela engaqedwa umnyaka.
Oh, so wena usebhebhe se5 wena we6.
So
Wena ngobhebhe we6.
So when seriously body count doesn't count.
In the grand scheme of things, climate change, computers are crashing on what their body count. No. This scenario. But, yeah, I hear you.
All right.
Coming to me and say, in the past 3-4 years, you slept with 4 guys.
My fault.
6 months.
I'd actually before that. If wena ungumafoti unjalo uthanda unkazana lo elela abantu abayi5, wena empilweni yakho maybe walala abantu abayi2. kumbe ngomnyaka wona lo, right? Sesifake example yomnyaka.
Yeah.
Wena nxa ulele 2 womnyaka lo, I feel like for you it's okay to be like but lawe. But wena ungu-40 uvela chaya 10 zakho ngale.
You can't judge.
I-double standard ezikhuluma ngana. So
Double standard
lo,
applies to everyone, guys.
so umajaji yena lo la yakhe body count imenjani? Because kule member kade esezama lapha ithi hayi mina nje kuchero oshuni abortion hayi but wena la kulesikhathi lapho kwaye kwathiwa sengikhutha iperiod wabubhadala izimali.
I know, right?
But just because it wasn't happening to you.
But understand this again. Understand this again.
So mina understand all of this. It's fine for you to say, no, let's use standards. Amfuni umuntu oyela abantu ngoba la personally. Ngoba la personally awukalali labantu abaningi.
We continue again. We continue with the same story. We continue with the same story. Now it is your argument that no double standards and everything. But I'm sorry to say, a man is not a man. A man. Right? Isule sako as a man. We don't care how many people are fucked.
But guys, that's also
No.
That's
I'm just
also a bit of a fallacy, bro.
But a guy can marry. A guy can marry as many. A guy can marry as many.
No. Mafoti as khulumeni mgcine la ngicomfakazi.
Okay.
Lingathi limile lapha. Let's say lonke lile network efana na. I've seen this, bro. Amfuna ukuqamba amabizo la. But look, let's say lonke le network efana. I think into le example le amthoze ngiqamba amabizo but kulama soccer player thina la esiwaziyo la. Elinye soccer player letheli blind esayizoliqamba futhi ku-podcast. Member lwana ku-society, I don't feel like he's respected much. Ngendaba yakho ukuthi labantwana yonke indawo. Enye counterpart yakhe maybe liyane yadla i-Man City. That guy respectable ku-society because why lo mfazi uyo. So into le I feel like ngamanga ukuthi hey indoda kula ndaba. Njengongaba indoda la etshoni ihamba ihlanyela yonke indawo la.
Yonke
into le
but niggas will always want to say njengendoda.
Guys, this was said before when we were still discussing before we started recording. 40, you were there. Because I need you are picking up from this.
Yeah.
So I will then challenge you and say it was the same thing, same conversation where it came out to Guti. Also, how you carry yourself, your aura is important.
Yeah.
Now when every skate is, now you have no moral ground stand on. Anti-morality in a conversation. So you have no grandstanding. You are not allowed to be grandiose and tell me mina because when everything that works that has a pair of boobs and a skate uyangena phakathi
kwa njengendoda
like wena lawa nxa waba le one and uright ukuthi wena ngama grounds it's fair uright ukuthi wena uthi la ufuna usisi ole 0 to 1. Am I lying, Queen?
No,
yeah.
You're not lying.
And then la you cherry vice versa into ezinjalo like but my thing was yes it nguthi mina ngiseliza ngisukela nje but ngithi mina at the end of the day I say it doesn't matter all of it even us breathing doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Ngina tufunthi.
Ngifuna ukuthi into leyo sisay master thina siyakwazi ukuthi into leyo iqiniso. Maybe my sister singasifakazela.
Yeah.
But I know for a fact ukuthi the reason why singamajita thina sila singabangani futhi and we've managed to like attract abafazi esiba-attractileyo was because asihambanga sihloma
amalocation yes.
So yeah,
the fact that
Ocheri
because that Ocheri usihleza we know guys like even Bulawayo it's a known thing where when females are together they know who is who to go to because of why
but bensithi like Ocheri Mafoti nxa behleli bediscuss ukuthi uzibani bani wenza ngalokho the fact that wena bro ibizo lakho aliphumi kuma conversation yona lawo of course guys kulabo chera ababhitha labana abazaqalisa uassociate betha ucho uma futhi gay just because awufuni kusmesha siyakwazi ngochera ababhitha laba but trust me bro khono kyana ukuthi awuhambi la njengendodo ucha everywhere yikho like bro it sets you apart bro.
Yeah,
that's how you
so I can't entirely say as a man akula ndaba
so kule ndaba
as a person just have VIP
kokiringa tes ubona bafaza kulandela but anyway
no yeah that's a point
kokiringa tes ubona bafaza
but enguthi
kokiringa ubona bafaza bakulandela
baza kulandela but ubaba esizamhlonipha thina elayinini ngubaba ochadileyo esikwazi ukuthi utshone operator kumbe ubaba esikwazi ukuthi le ndoda le vele ayishiti ebuye emfazini wakhe. Nguphi ubaba wena ozathi maybe kusasa ekuniki advice umlaleli between the two?
ukuthi mina my memory I'm
but futhi at the end of the day amfuni si focus much on episode eyadlula because
yeah, fair point.
At the end of the day khetha okufunayo wena.
Yes.
Mawukuthi wena i-body count ye-10 vele awufuni la kuzwa ngayo uzitholele umuntu wakho le 01.
Don't spend
like
too much time.
Ungafuni ukutshintsha, ungafuni oyinye into ecaphula cherry ukuthi dog unithole ngile body count yami 15 already. Like
it's not gonna change.
Like I'm saying ukuthi
khona lapho
wena sengutshela ukuthi mina le body count ye-15.
I'm being honest because you want an honest woman.
I don't know if you honest answer.
I'm telling you.
Usukwata futhi.
Ungangena ko Pick n Pay bethi sinko $2 uyazisukela uhambe edinge se 50 cents.
But however,
50 cents.
However, kule lawo angazi ayikuthi into le ngizama ukuba politically correct but yabona Jay.
Yeah.
I-body count yakho la ihlanyana.
Yeah.
Ungazithi njengomuntu ongathawula body count ihlanyana.
Yeah.
Kunye khona okamajida like maybe
ama-double
standards. Ukuthi hayi no wena uyazazi vele ukuthi wena ikhekhe
uyaphisana
ngekhekhe. Ungabuyi all of a sudden ngimi wena sufuna ukuba
sengunqithi khekhe.
Like,
yeah, I get you.
Wena sufuna ukubrekela kimi wena. All of a sudden usukwazi ukuthi ama standards ikwini. Ifo zonke lezi 2 months uchayiza 2 months.
8.
Mina sengilawe 4 months usunje.
Yiko phela kodwa into ebengizama ukuyidrilla anyways angikubisele emuva drill. Angilibisele emuva but I did say if ngithanda ukuthi linanzelele lana ukuthi if there's one thing about me ukuthi ngiza point out ukuthi isilathi silenkinga. Uyabona siyathanda ukuba amanga we have become so used to them as females. It's second nature for us to just lie. And sithe sidla lapha uyakhumbula kule nto yena echile enthe inugget le mfuna ukuyisharisha nxa sesirecord uthe wena ungazijayeza ama kule day lapho ukuthi amanga ngoza wakhohlwa like uzakhohlwa and you are no longer a respectable person. People don't hold you to your word must mean something at the end of the day.
Kunjengo K Breeze wasithembisa impama la asoye simthathe serious
next time
shut the fuck up.
In his defense umuntu omele mningi impama nguyo onganina
ucho mna vele I think K Breeze
chicken out.
Because yena watch ukuthi he's a man of his word, he's going to prove it. In his defense, guys.
Ngano wayethi uma 40.
Nakudala sakhohlwa
ngapha. But be a person of your word was my point. And we need to get to that point as females, ne? Hey, sisters, what girlies, stop embarrassing me.
But my major takeaway from that episode was it's easy for anyone, or it's easy for males in particular, to say shit about female stuff and what. And we know nothing.
You know nothing, Jon Snow?
Reason I'm saying so.
I ain't Jon Snow.
Bro, when you sit down and when you talk about contraceptives, I know because of Ngale, right? Because, right? And now that I told you that policy making, I got involved in a policy making that for a certain disease, right? In the country. And then I looked, and the whole thing, there's a point I raised, wow. And I'm like, but those people are not in here. So who's representing them? Yeah, because I'm like, these are the people that are most affected by this disease. Parabako. Why are not involved? Yes, maybe those degrees, maybe they are not specialists, but they are people you are creating a guideline for. Ask them. Then the other person stood up and like, but psychological. This is a psychologist. What is psychological? I feel we now need to do this because these people, when they come for counseling, whatever, it's like this. Like at least someone understands them. Understands. You tell lava, because it's easy to tell someone stop doing this. But Luana, a psychologist, came with the point, no. Normally there's a therapy for so for them to change their way of doing things. So I think sometimes I think when there's a debate about menstrual pads in parliament, abortion in parliament, and what you call this, those about rape cases and what, I feel all males should shut up and let the women speak, because they will speak from a position of this is about us.
Yeah, when I
This is
feel
about our bodies, because it's important. We, as men will come in and say, but mina ngiyabona, you know, uthi ngiyabona kula kwenye, but let the females talk about the anatomy because they know it better
That's
than
why
us.
we need to make sister ku parliament. Because that day ngasithi manzama ukukhuluma hlathi ngicini njengawe awula vagina thula.
Yeah, because I think
Antsho njalo athi
because I think we are
amabele,
there now.
Ah, what if
Because-
vagina?
because
Amabele,
now I
nje.
can't,
Vagina.
because now I can talk about. I can't. I mean, I know the side effects of contraceptives because that's what we get to know because of that work. But she's the one that takes them. She knows I'm side effects. I've never felt the side effects. I know I'm side effects from reading them,
From
from
paper,
hearing. But she'll go through the side effects.
Yeah.
Right? She doesn't know how to have a child. If doesn't want to have a child, let's give her the option of saying, you know what, let's just cut this or block this.
Yeah.
I think let's have women talk about their issues now more than males in parliament.
Okay.
La khona
Yeah.
ukuthi ngicela ukulikhuza ama-gents ani
Sure.
ukuthi yekelani you are so flippant and flimsy when you're dealing with female anatomy conversations.
Flimsy and flimsy.
Flippant wena.
Yeah, let's go,
Yo,
let's go.
Singisi. I'm speaking on this in the sense of Thailand liphonga ukhala whatever umgcini uke watsheka into enginyangizile ethi yeah wena abafazi sexually gula every time. I'm like bro, we're always sick. Kunanzela kulabanye abantu like ubo TikTok or whatever or just be like they they do these kids whatever saying ukuthi abafazi usise sithi yena usise
Your
sithi
Phone is ringing.
I think Kumunda phone or something.
usise sithi
Support local.
usise sithi I have a headache, I feel tired or whatever. That is generally our life, literally every month.
Yeah, but we've
But
seen
we
it.
just have to be strong more.
Lokana sikubona ngabantu esijola lawo.
Yeah, uyabona. And then nina lisihleke lithi kunathila amanzi. Like guys, of course anginathanga amanzi. But ngizwela.
Vele amanzi.
Yabanganatha.
Yawazi amanzi vele nxa nxa ungucherry uzanilanda ngomjida.
Yeah.
Usithi awuzwa sharp. The first thing enza kubuza yena ukuthi amanzi unathile yini?
Kumbudlile.
Udla-
And we always forget.
ukudla ku risk. Ngobubuza ukuthi udlile yini?
Yeah.
Meaning ukuthi ungathi awudlanga. So kumele mina ngibone iplan.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Indoda must.
I've young sisters. I have young sisters, right?
Yeah.
So ukuhlala labo kind of taught me how to go around the behaviors of females. Ngomuza uthi uyagula, ask no further. Ask no further.
So this is a dangerous
Like,
economy to ask a woman how
no
she's
further.
doing.
Listen. Especially Muzo City. But hey, angizwa kuhle isisu sami. Okay. We now know chances are. We now know it's there. Ask no further. So with my girlfriends with the people I've dated.
Girlfriends
What
plural.
girlfriends?
People I've dated,
Plural.
I've always been that person.
Relationships.
I mean, I'm open. I was like, sweetie, if that's that time of the month.
Sweetie. Hey, my
If
boy.
it's that time of the month, number one.
14.
What makes it bearable for you? Because I need to know if me being away from you makes it bearable. Because maybe I'm probably annoying, right? Let me know so that I keep that distance on that time, right? If me being there makes it bearable, I'll make sure that I'm there so that if there's a type of food you want, let me know so that I make sure I buy. I remember I traveled a lot. So this girl, I used to make sure that every time, because while something as sinkanga, but she normally used to send me a screenshot of Sako Yakrapa. What I would do is I would just make a phone call. That day, I'm saying, I was a receiver, a gift box, all the candies that she liked, plus the pets.
Romantic
That she liked. Because she had told me, some guys, if you have never lived with females who are going through, you will never understand that that's one of the most torrid time for the girls.
It's traumatic, guys.
So you have to make it as much better for
as you
them
can.
as you can.
Ngilombuza.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Ngilembuza yi2.
For who?
Lina ama-gents. Ngifuna ulibuza lonke.
Sure.
I want you all to answer. do you guys know your those who are in relationships right now amongst us, right?
Yeah.
Do you know your female cycle, like ukuthi minjani, when is she supposed to be on her menses or whatever? Do you have knowledge of that? 40, I know, would find out this information. Lineli ituge.
I mean, if I'm being honest, ne,
Yeah.
like ukuthi yona ngokwayo, like inini, because ezikhathini eziningi
Esikhathini.
esikhathini actually
Yeah.
ezikhathini eziningi nguyevela hlantshela ukuthi mabhebeza
So blind.
lapha sengifila ngathi or even a day before
Yeah.
yahla
But when uyazi, when uyiwazi, awukazi uzihlupha ukuthi ukwazi.
angafiki kuma stages ukuthi like
Okay.
yeah
Ralph,
mina ukuthi ngithanda inkonzo yasebusuku so ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngizayishota
when wazi njani udlala nini?
Stadium sebesivulwe.
Sivulwe nini
No,
stadium?
I'm playing, but I actually have. I don't have the exact date,
the exact
but I
date
actually
having
know ukuthi around this time. So kumele ngila ngize imbuzane. Uzothi actually uyabulala ngoba Karese I feel like imphuzile mbija. Like I'll be having an idea.
Oh, I love it for you, Kesana. Okay, my second question being, if she is on, ne, and yenantu ufotute find out what makes this life easier, whatever. There are theories being, not theories rather, it's a fact. We say certain, a lot of women, kahlale lingavula flow lapha. Abajola labantu ababathanda kakhulu, uyakwazi ukusinka ku flow yakhe. So you find out a lot of information about women and whatever.
Yep.
A lot of women have realized when I'm on that app, ne, they always talking about how, oh my gosh, when I'm on my menses, I actually want to have it because it makes my life easy. Would you guys indulge your person
Whatever makes
with
her
protection?
Whatever makes her Whatever makes her happy. Whatever makes her happy.
yeah
But you get to pay to kulama days heavy with the flow. Lama days.
Yeah.
Manje khona apha heavy with the flow. Let me educate you. Is when it's most painful.
So you can't funa khona
Abanye uyabefuna khona because
Hey,
it's a
mina-
relief back pain.
I think
and
okunye-
the doggy is the style because it
Ho.
relieves the back pain.
oh
But you can do it with protection.
how
Yeah, it's the best.
no but I
on
think
that
onyan sokusiya nge like nge relationship
time.
yena
Yeah,
ukuthi
how
is
deep you guys are.
plus like selihlala isikhathi esinganani lilonke
You can just do it in 2
besikhuluma
weeks.
ngabonhle anhle uthi
Mina into engiyikhuluma-
ngibona
Yeah,
seli like
yeah.
selitshelene for some time
Yeah.
ngumuntu wakho do
Yeah.
akula nto enje eza kusurprise ngaye
Yeah.
whatever kuphumayo kuyi
Ubani uyawatcha amashit.
akusakushoki
No, yikho ngithe wothini ndithe phela ama hacks.
Why would you answer the question?
Use lokhuzeni. To make it easy and for abalabo abazafuna ukuyenza nansi hack from usisweno lithandayo.
Mrs. No.
No.
Yeah, sis no.
Literal.
Sebenzisani lokhuzeni. I-female condom is the best because now there'll be no mess. Wara yeah esukumu sesihamba sesiyayi
azi izinto zifuna mawuthela ziningi izinto esasitha
Yeah, because
sizenzi
heavy with the flow foot, it becomes too slippery of a track. Like
how
ufuna ama
because
special
uvela
tires.
khona ngale Ralph akusitshele wena.
lalela nini
Aye,
bafethu
aye.
I'm not going to explain too much. Let's
mina into
let's move on.
engitsho before si move
Yeah.
on ziningi izinto cabangani izinto esasithi asisoke sizenze
yeah,
like,
at some
esesizenza.
point vele ku grade 1
Yabo.
sasithi kiss iyanyanyisa.
kale simfana usuyishawa
Kuris.
uzukhise lento ezingayisizo
Coming here, when I was coming here, my sister pressed mina. Umbona ngijola lo muntu we-PF mina. Never. Ndiye mbuya lapha ngibona ehlezi emotweni ebhaliwe vele ukuthi what
it is cuff
vele ekhoniwe para ehlezi mina. I was like, but my sick I was never
but
say
anyways
never.
nansi scenario guys la
Yeah.
sisivele
Yes,
namhla singathi sikhuluma ngento ze but this one is lighter
Here's
Yeah,
the question
please.
of the day, Sam.
question of the day
Question of the
so
day.
ule crush when lama crush la ngila you seriously want this person bro like uyamfuna and you've made that known and it's clear to that person ukuthi uyamfuna and then mafoti mina ngiskim sakho maybe uhambe uyembona utshela ngikhona uhamba lami or for some reason every time lapho posta khona mafoti always post i-podcast uhlala siposta sisonke Yini crush yena leyo ifunayo CCT.
Ngifuna umgcini.
Ngifuna umgcini. Ngifuna umngane wakho.
And he knows that's my crush.
Yeah. What happens there?
But my question is, unfortunately, unfortunately, I don't think it was a similar scenario, right? There's this girl I'm asking out. Yeah, unfortunately for me, I messed up. I was asking 2 girls out at the same time.
Wakudeserve wakutholayo.
Right? So, babe, omunye wayehla eline leli, omunye ehlala eline leli. Right? And I was playing it very well. I wasn't good at
it.
So now, lo cousin, sister, or best friend yami. So, but Luana wangifuna the most than this one. So it so happened that one day, we were together, and everyone, and closer. Then I went away for like a week, and I came back. My friend was now dating that girl.
How old are you guys?
We're in our 18 years.
Yeah.
18 years.
Okay. Makes
My
sense.
friend is now dating that girl.
Yep.
Because when often usbani.
Yeah.
Because I could do right?
Crazy.
So for me, I didn't get angry. Here's the thing, I didn't get angry. Because first of all, accountability.
You knew
I fucked up.
Emotion.
Like I fucked up.
Cause I fucked up.
Right? And then these guys actually ended up dating for 5 years. These guys ended up dating for 5 years.
Damn.
Yeah, they didn't get married to each other, but yeah, they really pushed. And Mina Angwas, I'm 40. 3 months will be done with you. I was that person. Yeah.
My sister. Situation dance la.
But you know what I'll do to him. What I'll do, I'm crash. I check mama's with I'll let him know. Because if I don't, she will still let him know.
That's the awkward position to be in.
Because no,
it's very
she will
awkward.
still let him know. So I'd rather say, if he's my boy, I check. Done. I have to accept that now as a person. That's it. I'm not even phone.
I want our social media.
Right? Because kakwazi kucherilo akwazi maybe angamtshela uthi ngamfuna angamtshela it's just a crush.
Awuyakwazi ukuthi like ufunani. Awukabi explicit obviously ukuthi
Sengitshelile in other senjeti wena ngamtshela ngufuna. Simple and straightforward.
Yeah, because like in a way, if she's seen these advances and she's not acting on them, and then the only thing she does is tell you she wants your friend, it's a backhanded rejection.
Yeah.
It is.
What
This is what it
happens?
is.
Like,
Then I'll tell him Mqini. But I guarantee you, if I tell him Mqini, I'll check Mqini. Umama uthi yakufuna mina akanya vele kanye.
mfowethu ungantshela khona ukungihambe mina ngim.
Right. So,
Yena
mina
ngone ngakutshele mafoti ngcono ngakuyikuthi yena maybe ngane maybe 10% yekufuna umgcini nalo original then ku40 maybe ule 40% ngone yena azihambile yedwa ayenza ama signal akhe kuma 40
azenzele
without
yedwa.
then coming ebuye kumgcini ethi mfuna uma 40 ekwazi umgcini uyamfuna
Yeah, because-
lapha
look
nezama
at it.
ukutshengisela wena ukuthi wena vele you ain't shit.
Yeah, I disrespect.
Uyabe
Yeah.
Yeah,
ngakho
no,
nje
yeah,
but I'll probably tell him Mqini, I check out cherry 110, cherry 2 so I'm done.
Yeah.
Nam-
Apart mina to be honest,
It will hurt
I've
for sure.
I've been in a
Situation like that.
actually similar situations both ends. Yabo. Receiving yabo. Hey, and mina dog. Yabona nxa omngane wami nje. Omngane wami see like my 40, you know you're my friend. Ungitshela situation enjalo ngizakuhleka.
100%.
Ngizakuhleka
It's to be expected.
ukuthi barilawe dog yabo. But I wouldn't act on ile kuzenini yakho.
True.
It's one of those bro with
But now you didn't act on it provided maybe the girl is not maybe your cup of tea. Let's say la
If the girl is a cup of tea, bro.
Hey,
As
yeah,
soon as
good
I mean,
pose.
to
It's
be honest,
Pussy
Buffett,
tea.
to be honest,
Yeah.
to be honest,
Yeah.
I've been in situations where you see, bro, this person is your type, bro.
la
Like it's your type. It's your type, but I'm trying to save this, bro.
Yes.
This has been happening for more than Ocherlo. Uyabuya dog.
Echaya phansi.
Achaya phansi. And yabona lapha sengikhulumela mina njengomjita ongashotiyo.
Wow. Wow.
Mana ngaqedi sithi ongashotiyo ini. But njengomjita engikwazi ukuthi bro, told by next week ngiyabe senithwele umuntu double that umuntu yena lo yabo. Ezinye izinto ngiyaziyekela but engawunanzelelayo futhi being on the receiving end is asiwo wonke umjito ozabhiva njengami.
Definitely.
Like
definitely.
awumelanga expect ukuthi mina just because angireactanga kuwe dog. Wena usoke
They're different people.
and khonokho ngakuthola the hard way. Ngakufunda the hard way. Ukuthi it really happens then kubuhlungu njengomjita kuyakubruise ego yakho. Ukhulumile wena ukuthi ego yamajita vele
Easily bruised.
easily bruised yabo and
Ukudlula
it
same thing.
happens.
No, yeah, I mean I've been on. Have I been on both ends of the spectrum? No, I've been the girl who the guys my friend was with, and then the guy was like, me now give me. It was like except where my situation was because they'd already been doing whatever they were doing. Then he was like, nah, I actually like the other person, whatever. Now it's just they're like, nah, friends are forever, time.
Yeah.
But I then said to myself, ukuthi ukukhula guys and yakhumbula ukuthi uBolt sasibajaja ne. But guys, intersections ikhona like
Ubruku samchacha. Hey.
sasibajaja, but intersections ikhona. People find their people whilst they're with other people. That's what growing up makes you understand. No, for real. For real.
I hear
Like
you.
siyafuna ukuzenza ngathi izinto lezi izi
No,
out of our reach.
Ziyenzakala.
But zenzakala and like umgcini is saying ukuthi there is khonokho ukuthi wena as a person you might not subscribe to it and do it, but understand that the next person will not respect you in that regard. And then mina, I have always said my friends are more important than a nigga, but ngifake ubhathi wokuthi kukhona lokhana kokuthi ngingxenye ngithi mina angivumanga nto umgcine ngishela laphana ngingavumi, but maybe years later siphinde sibonane futhi amngani wamnika lawo ejeke clearly love of my life lane.
Yeah.
Like I'm not breaking girl code. I already yell at this person the first time around. Yeah, ikhona
they do have a code.
wena. I-ex ka live awuvunyela but siyanyathelana ikhonza.
But anyway, I feel like this thing is somewhat contextual.
Yeah, it is
inkazana
contextual.
nale maybe uyihawukela that time unule inkazana yakho mina ngisindlu nayabona inkazana le yinhle endunu
Ungabi isikhwaba.
uzayidlalisa uyenza iside so
Shaya
mase
istin.
ifuna
but
mina ngizayithatha ndo
it's sportsmanship,
yeah,
i-bro code.
sportsmanship
Like i-bro code.
Yikho phela
Ithi-
ngithi ikhodi ayiqakathe kani.
Mina
But
ngizakutshela
later
njengomjito
on
wami.
ke, later on ke bengahlangana. Usuvuma la you consider uthi no maybe lingama soulmates. Ngeke la.
Yabona mina i-relationship enjalo ngingayi kuzaba buhlungu obviously
Why?
ukuthi uCherry bengimfuna mina but akamfuni ufuna ulokhuzeni umngane wami, but I would really love a situation where okay sharp sebeyenzile abakwenzileyo like sebe decide ukuthi maybe bahlangane shatanini mas lingadlali ngathi lingadlali ngathi ukuthi thina sizibuhlungu la
Bese liphinda lidlale.
inhliziyo zethu zibreakekiwe sa accept ukuthi i situation esikhona
Defeat.
only for you guys to go and
break up
be clowns.
Nah, fair point.
Yabo?
Yeah.
fair point yeah
Chatani nali ngacha le mchado nangona ngizakhuluma
Yeah.
ukuthi uRalph umfazi lo wamthethe kini but ngiyathaba ukuthi abantu laba bahlangana because immaturity dog.
Yeah, that's
Immaturity.
that would be a really
Luthando like
dope
kolalo
toast.
for
Yeah.
your friend.
Yeah.
Yabo. And engikhulumileyo into le kuya ukuthi umuntu angibona mina nxa singekho close.
I come
yeah,
after you.
then it becomes a problem yeah.
I think it's across board. We all agree.
Yeah,
with it.
masingekho
If it
close.
If you're not that
depends-
close,
it depends
bruh.
on how close you guys
Now
are.
come after.
Because yazi kulo muntu angitshelayo wathi sometimes bomgcini liyabelisekela ukujola lama like 18-year-old 19-year-old because they say this one is too young. Angela City bro, there is a 40-year-old out there
Ready to pounce on that.
ongazange akucabange khona okona okucabangayo. So sometimes vele ezinye izinto you just do because wena uzacabanga like onye it's unfortunate or rather fortunate ukuthi you are just a nice person and it's okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
It's okay.
It is
And
a double-edged
understand that being a
sword.
nice
That is
person
okay.
doesn't necessarily mean people will be nice to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a double-edged
Yeah.
sword.
Yeah.
People who like we need to also get to a point as people, as friends, as group of friends or whatever, to understand that people are only going to will treat you nicely or will love you and care for you are the people that care for you and love you. Puma out of that threshold, it's over for you, Buddhas. No one really cares. You don't matter. So, we're looking princess. But then again, yes, like I said,
funny part
across
we
board.
around on princess.
Yeah, well. Oh, pity.
Jay, question you talked before we go.
Culture, yeah.
Culture.
Oh yeah. I wanted to ask since conversation vele of late bongathi we are saying kule culture enje esiyithole ikhona.
Yeah.
But now we are a generation where izinto sezimove differently. Sikubonile i-generation gap kade ikhona between host lo co-host last week ukuthi omunye urepresenta enye age group, omunye urepresenta enye age group. Yabo. And abantu bale belief yokuthi let me say abantu are advocating for a society where these things that were done kudala lezi. Ngezomnye sithi we are now a different generation. Izinto zokupheka emfeni, asidingi any catering team. Like
I agree.
Akungabaswamlilo, right? Izinto ezinjalo.
Cook your question.
See, where do we draw the line? Like, alright, what do we pick from? I-tradition sithi sithatha kuphi kwangikhona. Ikuphi sikuthatha sithi lokho kokupheka ezimfeni like asisakwenzi, but
body viewing science.
I-body viewing science. Yikuyini sikuthatha and sikuthatha based on what? Yikuyini siqhubeka lakho, yikuyini sikwekelayo and sikwekela because of what? Siqhubeka because of in. That's the question.
There can never be a universal answer to that.
True.
Because Tina la, let's say, especially let's say amankazana. Ama imlilo leyana emfeni leyana iyanuyisa ama-week. So what do you think bona nxa sesikhuluma ngendaba zokuphika and sishiyo kunye, they're going to be advocates of i-catering. Then mina Tina maybe as guys lathi kulokunye komphana emfeni lathi okungana maybe kuganyulisa inkuni ntambama lathi asikuthanda amahloka azilimaza laba whatever. Lathi sizagijimelana kumagasi hit. So nxa sesiphikisana laphana amankazana be like, hey, singeni catering team. Then Tina like, no, sidinga amagasi. So I really feel like in society locally affect her most. That's what you're probably gonna try and maybe like compromise on and move around on. You're just gonna leave it like that or continue doing it. But in another context, you'd find maybe I might clear abafazi affect him. They'll be the first to go, guys, so but when you're down, they'll be like, dog, it's clear. Let's just keep it going clear. They'll find something else too. So there can never be a universal to say, she and look, I didn't look. Because abantu babe don't selling go beside in now. That's the long and short of what I'm trying to say.
But culture is dynamic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not static. But I think one thing that's constant, it's a moral ground when it comes to culture. There's always a moral ground that I believe, in my opinion, should never be crossed. In our changing, it's clear has been a sign of respect. That's what a clear is. It's a sign of respect. And it's, as a woman wearing it clear, you are showing respect. It's speaking funny inside core. But now you're going funny, you can pretty much do whatever. You get my point. So can we then say it clearly cover my weaves that we wanna be seen? You know, they're saying no, you are just showing respect and funny, right? When it comes to catering and
by the way, this is just an example.
Yeah.
This question is broader than EMFN.
Yeah.
So then
take it as that.
There's another thing, Yoguchi. We go back to sex education, right? In our culture, sex education was reserved to uncles and aunts. But uncles and aunts are not then anymore like really as much involved in the family makeup as Kudala. We are more Kudala extended families where they eat thing. Now we are more I'm minding my own business and stuff. Me and my children are doing our own thing. I want to know about this. I want to cause my money next door. Because I saw my mom we took it on last episode. They're gonna go now. I saw mommy on my parents and stuff like that. So we are getting to a point where do we drop that ukuthi umama next door engakhuza umntwana lo? And yet we used to say it takes a village to raise a child. So where do we draw the line? Because now the 2Ks are the ones drawing the line for us. I'm adults. It's the next generation that's drawing the line, not Tina. If culture is to change, you have to change the culture. Having gone through and understood it, it's okay. Then you change. Sukulile. But abantu they're changing it as they go to suit whatever they wanna do. So I believe there were 3 generations. There's the generation that got colonized, right? And the generation that went and fought for independence. And the spoiled generation, the 80s. Because bona bafika yonke into labana sibelulimbi bamba bona bafika baba workforce. They never had anything of theirs. They never really went through. All they were doing is like they were following code about code. Because we were coded. We were all coded. In the 80s and some 90s, we were coded. This is how you're supposed to behave. This is the type of job you're supposed to look for. You get it? That's why you find even in the 80s, we have teachers who wanted to be teachers. Genuinely. Not ukuthi like I said options about
Agaresa ama teacher labone esilabo garesi.
Ukuthi senzele
So
Sasibulala
we're getting to a point. For me, we're getting to a point where there's this generation that comes now after. Not even the 90s, the 2Ks that have decided to take it upon themselves to chart a course for themselves without us having to imprint something. This is where the problem is now. That's why I was saying because we didn't come in and imprint. Labana bamba impini babuya bathwele into zabo ba imprinter. Right? Tina, we failed to imprint anything.
We just took whatever.
We just took and we ran with it. We didn't revolve. The 80s children didn't revolve.
Ngicela ukuikhotha ulokhu zenini uBreezy. uBreezy guys wathi yena stiniwe guys thina ama 90s children stiniwe. That's why we're not out here enforcing a certain change. And
we didn't do any
because
shit.
we didn't do anything really. We found abazali bethu had already put us through a lot and then life put us through a lot
And ukuphikisa whatever our parents we
asibaphikisanga
like
Just taboo, bro. Please no mdala.
kube sasama vele but
yabona yikho mina even that day on the or when we were doing the girls thing I did say ukuthi if there's one thing I admire about the 2Ks is the fact that they're able to draw boundaries and whatever. I don't think ngiyakwenza but to a certain extent with my parents. Like I don't go overboard. La ngiyakwazi lapho kokumela khona yabona ngiphapi njani yabona sithi and also sidiniwe like yo Zimbabwe is go ishisile siyagoa.
As a when we look at the 2Ks are drawing lines.
Yeah.
They're creating their own culture.
Yeah.
They're saying this is a go area, this is a no go area. But Tina, having said what we said about the upbringing our parents said, Liana, how best it worked for us. Aren't those things actually things we should also impart on next generation? My mom was strict. Children are saying boundaries. You can't do me like that. Like where do we draw? Because now if we don't draw the line for them, because we are the adults, we become like irresponsible ones.
Into enginanzelela mafoti ukuthi actually answer to that question aslayo.
Yeah, definitely.
Answer to that question yinto esizazenza masuka la. Answer to that question yindlela umuntu olaleli podcast le aza decide ukuthi yena uza yenzani.
Yeah.
That's what I
Like
said.
right
We're
now.
parenting.
I
It's
think
us because the problem with us sitting here, we're not parents.
Yeah.
And when we become parents, I think mina okunye
I'm a well involved uncle in my
I
nephews
know,
and
I
nephews.
know. But when we well involved uncle, ulinient. You are not because it's not something that's going with you at home. But kule zinto zibonayo and in the way your siblings are raising their children, where you're like, I know it couldn't be me because I ain't dealing with this nonsense.
Oh, you anezwini.
And it's those things where you're like, nah, I know it's not something that I would agree to or let happen in my space. And because lawo kule zinto njengoba sithilo kumnandi oba uthi sithe siqalisa umgcino washo wathi guys in kunele ukuthandayo abazali bena abakwenzayo. Those are the things we're going to carry on to our DNA or whatever. Then hence our children will probably and then lawo busuthatha lokho ukuthi i-abuse lana thina sithe lapho kwaso teetering towards abuse ubusubona ukuthi no I don't have to approach my child in this way but shame mina I don't believe in that whole spare the road njani mina I don't spare the road ngoba I'm not going to deal lehlo ngandlebe space in some
Can't you spare the road akatsho
No,
ukuthi
but the law.
Spare the
the
road
law-
in Impama.
but the law.
spare the road
the law-
impama
the
phela.
law
So no
stipulates-
impama ekhaya.
No, but the law is tricky.
America.
Medically,
Here's something that I've realized.
wenu lo ngiyawuzwa but endlini yami
No intathi ngikhulumelani like i-version lethi spare the road hayi.
And spoil the child.
Yeah.
Ithi
Yiyo
chaya
ve-
umntwana.
ithi ifake impama.
But now
Faka
here's the
impama,
trick thing.
yikho phela.
But here's the trick thing. Maybe the road it was a metaphor. Because even words on how you deal with these kids, maybe the road. Say, I am mhlala la. Yamona lapana. So. Maybe that's also a road in this instance. In this time. Because I'm saying that was maybe it was a metaphor. Why I'm saying so? Because do you know the umntwana in Zim? I've seen this happen twice. Umntwana yayichawa ngiwo ehambe emapoliseni ethi bangitshayele ngikhaya ichawa dabhisa amapolisa emchayi. Wethu yadelela ngini wena.
Isimo soku-different ke abantwana bangahamba especially abantwana abatshayo ezikolo. Eish.
Ezikolo but endlini amapolisa akubisele uthi yahlanya.
But mina
But
I think
ezikolo
conclude ngalathi blind qedisa
I think indlela esikhuliswe ngayo thina ama-parenting skills esasebenzisa thina indlela esikhuliswe ngayo but refined in a way yokuthi sibonile ukuthi abadala basikhulisile ngendlela abasikhulise ngayo
Yeah.
but ekusikhuliseni kwabo kule zinto abangazenzanga esibone ngani abazenzanga sharp. It's up to you wena the next parent ukuthi ungakwenzi. Don't be that person ocomplaina ngayo karesi ukuthi abadala sometimes but so kuthiwa i-abuse okunye but it's fine.
Babukeli
Yabo.
okuqeda kakhulu ngicingime ngukhulumile so you know. So the wise one is me.
But for me, but let's not let the kids detect.
Yeah, but
Let's not
anyway.
let the kids detect.
Anyways.
No. The parent must be the parent, the child must be the child. Angazi ngini kunqalila umkhuleko lwano kumba amarule kukhona umunye ezinye izindlu lezana ezilama rules lana. Ukuthi I am the parent, dear child, I am the parent, I will never be your friend
Zayifaka
kanjani,
manje.
but I will love you njani. Nxa ukhule endlini enjalo, you are set for life.
Zayifaka.
Yawuthatha usebenzise.
Sesiku how many minutes la?
Asishayise.
Shine pants.
Anyways, I just want to say my temporary goodbyes.
Yeah.
I'll be away. I'll be away for some time. Zembuyela emchadweni wami. You guys say that I look like a newlywed. So just calculate, I think 5 weeks from now. Just calculate 5 weeks from now. Or even 4 weeks. Yeah, just say 4 to 5 weeks. Yeah.
4-5.
4-5.
Yeah, for 5 guys.
From, like lingambuzi, linganding.
But sizakukhanuka.
But lingano.
Sizakukhanuka.
Lingifonele futhi lingayeli.
Yeah, we'll call you.
I'll be
Safonela
there.
next week.
No matter
Nanso
what.
mngani wakho angisongufonela.
Ansomngane wakho mina.
So uzabe kudlela emgcini ibhego mboni.
Yimi.
Ngu videographer lapha.
Yeah.
Uphuzile emsebenzini.
Video like camera reels
Uzile
aphume
emsebenzini.
crisp because of this one person. So nguyoza ozasale.
Uphuzile emsebenzini namuhla.
But anyways, shout out.
Shout
out, guys.
Love you.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready?